Hello all. Today in this video we will learn that how we can stop or avoid duplicate products in Odoo. So before knowing how we can do it, we can just try to understand that what is current behavior of Odoo. So let's go on to the product. So here we can see that, for example, if we create a new product with the name of test, and here in the internal reference we type test and just save it. So this is the first product and we have used this test internal reference. Now let's suppose if we create a new product with the name of maybe test 2, and we will try to use the same internal reference, so it will not stop us to create with the same internal reference product. So now let's try to have an automated action from which we can stop creating a new product with the same internal reference. So for that purposes, what we need to do, we need to go into the automated action. Let's go onto the main menu and start typing automated action. You need to ensure that your debug mode is on. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to create a new automated action. So now we can provide the name of the automated action. We can select the model, which is the product variant, and now we can select the execute Python code and activate this. And here we can select the trigger of on creation and update. And here we need to provide this line of code. Once we have provided this line of code, so if we now want to create a new product with the same internal reference, it will stop you to create the new product with the same internal reference. So let's suppose we are trying to create test 3, and here if we select the test again and we will try to save, it will show you that you cannot have the same internal reference in Odoo twice. So it will not allow you to create a new product with the same internal reference. So this is the way you can simply avoid duplicate products in Odoo. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us for more videos.